Well, guys, look at this. Mr. Tree is down, down. Mr. Tree is down, down. Fucking bitch. Anyway. And there we have it. Enjoy the rest of your day, people. Right, guys, welcome back. We're back here again. That's it. Just hired a stump grinder now. Just about to knock this beastie out the ground here. It's got to go down to underneath these here. So I've got to knock it down under that level. So I've got to go underneath this. So it's got to go deeper than this, and therefore I've got to get a chainsaw in a minute. And I've got to just knock this out a bit more. And then get the stump grinder and just finish it off down into the ground. And it shouldn't really take me too long. But yeah, other than that, you will see me on the next video very shortly. With all this cleaned up and sorted out. Got a bit of leaf blowing to do around here today. These are the trees are done around here, the corner at the laurels. You got this, yeah. And there we have it. Bye for now. Have a good day. Sun is shining down on me. Now, we just started it with the chainsaw, as I said earlier on the last video. Literally, it's, I can tell and say it's that deep, right in, as deep as you'd curl a rat, you know, as deep as you'd push it in your missus, that fucking deep. Look at that. Isn't that lovely, eh? Sure, fucking hell, man. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut the side of it out, and then we're going to get the machine, and then we're going to go down past these block paving. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Bye for now. I need to refuel my saw, and the saw's looking very pretty inside there today. And I've also got a new toy to show you in the next couple of days. Bye for now. I'd like to say that I'm breaking the sweat, but not really. This is getting on my fucking nerves, mate. This is getting on my fucking nerves, mate. I know, I would like to say that I'm breaking out of sweat, but nah. This is not even, I mean, it's hot today. This is not even really sweat. That's just warming up. That ain't sweating, that's warming up. If I was sweating, this would be off. I'm just warming up, baby, warming up. Warming up, baby. Bye for now. I'm warming up more. Have a good day. Fuck me for a game of soldiers. Now I'm busting in sweat, guys. Fucking hell, lad. Fucking hell. I've had to use my board, so I've had to get in here. I've had to get in here and grind a pussy right out. I'm only joking. Anyway, guys, well, that's the end of that for a minute. I'm fucked. I need to go and get some food in a minute. And then I'm going to get back to it. Well, I might as well carry on, don't I? Get that down a bit more. They went underneath the driveway. Oh, what a pain in the backside. But anyway, bye for now, guys. Have a good day. Don't do anything I won't do. Keep them warm, baby. Now then, if you ain't got another man with you to lift the stump grinder back on, oh fuck me, that's creased up that, isn't it? Well, I'm not worried about that. I don't have another man to help me today. Look, there's the cable, and there's the stump grinder. There's the remote. Right, I don't have another man. I've only got this. I don't have any other fucking chabbies. They're all lazy bastards in Southampton, where I am today. They're all lazy fucking mother's cunts. That's what they are, guys. Right. Fuck this. Right. Yeah, right, now what we need to do. Oh, fuck the hell. That'll do. Right, that'll do it, guys. We've got it on. Stump grinder is on. Fuck it. Yeah. Fucking slut. Stump grinder's on now, guys. With great difficulty. All thanks to Ant. Thanks, Ant. Cheers, Ant. Thanks, mate. Right, yep. Bumper's back intact. Undo your shackle. Ant. Ant. Right. And there we are, guys. I'm getting fucked off with people. Lazy bastards around me. Tighten that up, lock that down, so you've got the switch here. And if you don't have anyone in your area that wants to give you a hand, yeah, whether it's family, friends, whatever, friends, fucking friends. What they? I don't know what they are. I ain't got a clue what friends are. I say you're friends, then no one's your friend. Nope. You ain't got no friends. The only friends you got is your winch. Yeah, is your winch, your chainsaws, obviously your tools and stuff. That's the only friends you've ever got in life, guys. Just remember that. There's no such thing as friends. There's not. So if anyone says, yeah, my mate, he's not your mate. You're chatting shit. You're not, no way. Not your friend. You're a liar. You ain't got no friends. No one in this whole world has got friends, guys. Right? Just remember that. No one. Got to pull this nice red lever, lift the cunt up. Right? There's the boards. There's the thing. Right? There. That's the boards. That's the boards. Lift them up. Put these cunts up in there. Get up in there, you fucking shit face. Right? Tell what they do. We'll fucking get up in there. Get up in there then. That's what I said. Get in there, you little slag, alright? Anyway, no, you don't have any friends, guys. There ain't no such thing as friends. Do you know what friends remind me of? That. There's no such thing as friends. No one has any friends. No one is your friend. Everyone is out just to mug you off, take the piss, and call you a twat behind your back. They all slag you off behind your back. No one's your friends. You ain't got no friends. No such thing as a friend. If you've got a dog, that's your friend. Animals is your friend. Your car is your best of friend. Your car takes you places. Your friend doesn't. Your friend just mugs you off in the pub, wherever you want to be. They get you drunk, and then you've obviously bought him all the pints, and then you'll go home, and then you'll think, what the fuck? He didn't even bloody help me out. He didn't get me a taxi or nothing. It's a good friend, that, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? So no one's your friends. All they are is your, I don't know, your drug buddies, your drinking buddies, that's all you have. There's no such thing as a friend. People only want you for your money. Just remember that. Bye for now. Now then guys, my good advice to you lot, if you want a good report on your work, make sure you clean up your mess properly. I did do a bit of extra as well. Right, if you want a good report, make sure you do your job properly. There was a pile of crap right there, which wasn't my rubbish, but I've now put it. Let me just show you so you don't think I'm lying. Right, I've now put it in here. Obviously that tree branch there's mine, but I took extras away, which is in this bag here. Right. But what I will say, like I said, if you want a good report and not a rubbish report, then this is what you should be doing. I'll show you around the back right now. Show you what I've done there. This has all been stump grinded out now, so it's nice and low with the block paving. All up the side of here, look. Another good report. Kept the alleyway clean. Yeah. Right. There we are. There's a few leaves over there. I've got to grab them. But if you want a good report, look after your customers. Oh, I've got to take a picture of this. I've actually got to take a photograph of this. I forgot to do that because that looks nice and very good. And that's exactly how I want it cut back. So before anyone starts mentioning in my videos, oh, why haven't you cut that other clump? That's how they want it. Alright? So before any opinions start on this video, I've now told you, so you don't need to comment on that. Before you start saying it's not all in line, that's how the customers want it, it is what it is. It's not my garden. It's, you know, it's not my garden, so therefore I can't cut it how I want it. But anyway, there's the fish pond. You couldn't see that yesterday, but now you can. At some point, me and my cousins want to get round here and get that good old clean out. And there we have it. And this is the rest of the garden. Like I said, if you want a good report, keep it all clean and tidy around here. Make sure the customers are happy. I've even done the doorway of this, as you can see there. I've even cleaned up the doorway of that. Blew all this, look, blowed it all. There's nothing on the grass, look. Are you pleased? No, there's nothing in the bushes or anything like that. It's all properly cleaned out. Right. You know what some people are like? They just say, ah, fuck it, chuck it in the edge. Don't really matter. But yes, it does. Because listen, people check. And this is when you get a bad report. Keep it clean and tidy. Take all your mess away with you. Do not bodge it. Then you get a good report. As you can see, all that's all done there. There was loads of greenery growing over the top of this trellis, that's which I wanted down. But other than that, we're good to go. And I will say, this is very good to go. Right, make sure you lock the gates behind you. Exactly how you walk through them, locked. Right, another hedge done there. And that is that. And that is that. That is that, guys. Treated myself to a new toy today. There we have it. I recommend these as well, if you want to get one. They are 400 and, where's the receipt? Let's have a look. £440, guys. 440 quid. So £440. I bought one because everyone else has got one. So therefore, why not treat yourself? And there we have it. And if you really want to know what it looks like, That's exactly what it looks like. Brand new. And that would be sleeping next to me in my bed at night. Alright. Nice and light as well. 2 kilos. Happy days. Job done. There's the coffee. No more vaping. No more. Threw that vape. I spun it around on my finger and threw it in the woods. Now a lot of you might say it's littering, but I don't give a shit because I just wanted to throw it away because I didn't want it no more. Don't need to vape anymore. Vaping's only for cutting down anyway and then giving up, so that's what I did. I just had enough of all the juices leaking out all over me, so I thought I'd get rid of it. Bye for now. If you want to quit smoking, do it because it's easy. I thought it was hard, but it's not. Have a good day.